Hello friends, welcome to Coding Shiksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to convert HTML to PDF in Angular. So this is the application. So if I hit the download button, you will see that a PDF document will be downloaded. So this contains simple text that is hello world. So basically in order to build this application, I am using an online IDE that is sandbox.io. So you just need to go to Google and type for this code sandbox and just create the project in this online IDE, so you don't have to make any kind of local development. So just create sandbox here. First of all, you need to create an account. After creating the account, you can just select from these templates here. So I will select Angular. So I will be using the jsPDF library. So you can see that it is building the project here, Angular project. So it is a brand new project. So first of all, we need to download the jsPDF library. So for that, there is an option here available. You can see that you can add dependency. So here I will just search for jsPDF. So you can see that this is the PDF document creation from JavaScript. So just click this. So it will download it in the background. So now we need to go to the app component HTML file, so which is located in the app folder. So just go to it and go to app.component.html. So this is a file. You can see that it is rendering out this stuff here. So if I delete all this and refresh, you can see that nothing is there. So I will be having a heading that it will say that convert to PDF using Angular. So now we will be having a button which will say that is download PDF. So this will be a type attribute it will have of button, and also a click listener. So bind a click listener. So after clicking this, we will be executing this function which is download PDF. So this is all the code that is required to write in app.component.html. Now we will move on to the app.component.ts TypeScript file. So here I will define the function to convert to PDF using jsPDF. First of all, we need to import the library that we have installed. So import star as jsPDF from jsPDF. So after importing, just make a function which we have initialized on the button, that is download PDF. So the first thing that we will do is initialize a new instance of jsPDF. So we will make a new document, new jsPDF, and after that we will add some text to it by calling this method, that is doc.text, and here we will pass some string here. Let's suppose hello world. The second argument will be the x coordinate and the third will be y coordinate. So after defining this, we will save the PDF file. So for this we have a function doc.save. So here I will be providing a file name. So let's suppose file.pdf. That's it. So the application is complete. So now if I refresh it and click the download PDF button, so you will see that file.pdf has been instantly downloaded. If I open the file, you will see that it has the text hello world embedded in it. So I can even copy the URL and open this in the browser. So this is a great thing about this IDE, that it lets you prepare applications in quick time. So you can see that convert to PDF using Angular. If I hit this button, a file is downloaded. Hello world. So in this easy way, you can just make any kind of PDF file using Angular using jsPDF.